Hi, I'm Bob from Plastic Pipe Shop, and in this video I'm hopefully going to clarify some of the common misconceptions about what pipework you can and can't use in drinking water systems in the UK. Nearly all the products you'll find on our website that are likely to be used in drinking water systems are WRAS approved, either by ourselves or other manufacturers. But there are some misconceptions about WRAS approval which I thought I'd try and clear up in this video. Way back in the past, there was little or no control at all of what materials or products were used in mains drinking water systems, which led to a lot of health issues, from chemicals leaching from unsuitable materials such as lead piping into the water. In the 1900s, a bylaw scheme was set up to ensure that all systems installed for drinking water purposes were fit for use. The responsibility for ensuring that suitable parts and materials are used is that of the installer. If there's ever a challenge to the installer to show that the parts and materials they've used are suitable, they have to be able to demonstrate that fact. The WRAS approval process tests parts and materials for their suitability for drinking water systems. So, if an installer has used fittings with a WRAS approval, then they can demonstrate that the system they've installed is fit for purpose. If some of the parts the installer has used don't have WRAS approval, then there may be other ways that they can justify their use. For example, such as pointing towards similar approvals from other countries, or that the products and materials used are from the same factory using the same production processes and raw materials of WRAS approved items. This does inherently carry a risk of extra hassle and complication, which is why installers tend to take the safe route and only use WRAS approved items. All that might seem quite obvious, but it's a common misconception that only WRAS approved parts and materials are allowed to be used in drinking water systems. What the WRAS approval does is provide a way that the installer can easily demonstrate the suitability of the parts and materials that they've used. It's also a common misconception that because a product or material is WRAS approved, then it must be of better quality than one that isn't. Whereas in fact, all it often means is that one has been submitted for the approval process and the other hasn't. It's important to note that WRAS approval is also no guarantee that any parts and materials are suitable for any other situations or processes other than drinking water systems. So care should be taken not to assume this and check compatibility in other ways. I hope that's cleared any confusion or misconceptions up, but if you've got any queries about the suitability of any of our products for any application, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us and we'll do what we can to help you out. Thanks for watching. Bye.